All right, guys. Got the BMW back. Customer complained there's water coming down here, and I opened up a little. Usually, oh, I want to show you. He put glue, the little glue thing they sell. You pour it in there, and it stops the leak. And he put tape around the sunroof, but that didn't help out. Just want to show some things. This side airbag here, there's an airbag here. You want to be careful with this. You can see there's a dirt here. There's a trail of water that was going down. This car was leaking water here. And on this side, if you take this tab here and you remove this, these are just clip-ons. There's torque bolts back here. It's few of them. And you remove these and this cover will come off. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this for the customer. I'm gonna leave this off because this is a friend of mine, and we're gonna, because only way to service this thing is, well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this water here, we're gonna pour this water down here, and just to show you, sometimes that little tiny hole in there, all in the back, all the way in the back of this, if you can see all the way down, there's a hole, and there's a hole on the opposite side. It's hard to see, and but these usually do leak water in here, which is normal, but the water is supposed to drain out. So what I'm gonna do is, just before anything, I'm gonna put some water in here. So once I put water down here, as you can see, water, oh my god, look at that. I can't stop that water right now. So the water leaks in here, and it leaks from right here somewhere. So there's definitely water leak here, and it's bad, and it goes straight in there. So I'm not even gonna leave this open for him, because you can see there's water here. It's dripping already, and there's water here dripping. I'm gonna open that up, and I'm gonna come right back, and I want to see what the hell is in there. Maybe the drain pipe is loose. So these are the steps I want you to take if your BMW leaking water from in this particular spot. Okay, so give me like 5-10 minutes, and I'm gonna come right back. I'm gonna open that up and see what's in there. I was gonna also blow air in there. I had this ready, but I'm not even gonna get to that point. Alright, so what I did so far is I removed this little square piece here. It has a screw in there, screw in here. So this screw in here, screw in here. And then I took out the sun visor. There's a connector in there for the sun visor. And sun visor had 2 screws on this side, and the hanger for the sun visor on this side had a little clips that you pop off, and 2 screws come out. I'm sorry, let me go back. This is where the hanger was for the sun visor. So there was screws here too, and then the center there was a clip. I removed that. I pulled out this little light. Then I took out the 3 Torx on the side airbag cover, and I'm gonna show you guys how far I got so far. So I'm gonna stick my light in here so we can see better. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys something. Once you're in there, this is the drain pipe, I believe so. This is the drain pipe. Let me put some water in there, and let's see what happens. I'm only gonna put a little bit, because I think I have the problem pinpointed. Okay, see the water coming out? That little pipe is out from the opposite direction. So this little fella right here, this little pipe, it came out of its place. So we're gonna put that pipe back in there. We're gonna put that pipe back in there. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take my hand. Well, I gotta take the light out first. So what I'll do is, I'll take that and I'll stick the pipe back in there, in its spot. So the pipe goes in there. Now, next what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put the water again. Does it leak? I don't see. Okay. All right. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get a zip tie. I'm gonna put a small zip tie on top of that. Let me go get a zip tie. All right, so I had the zip tie. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna loop this zip tie around, and I'm gonna put a zip tie on that so that pipe does not come out again, for the future sake. So all you do is, you take this tie, loop it around, you pull it, take it to the position that you want. Let me see if I can see so I know where I'm doing. So you take that zip tie and you tie that little thing. And next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut that tie off, the extra piece of the tie. Take a cutter, and that's it. So now I'm gonna pull out my camera and I'm gonna show you one more thing. What we're gonna do now is, we're gonna take the water, we're gonna spit it in there as much as we can. No leak. I want to show you the drain is working and the water is coming out from underneath the car, and that's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to come out down here. Every time you pour water, it's supposed to come down from the bottom of the car. So this pipe is going from there all the way to the bottom of the car. And now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put everything back together, and the job is done. And we'll call up the customer.